Right. So welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay. So here in this institute, I will teach you UI technologies, Angular, React. That means full stack UI I will teach you. Okay. So that means what are the subjects I'm going to teach. Okay. Right. In this course, what are we going to learn is UI technologies. What are these, everybody? UI technologies. So UI technologies means what are the subjects are going to cover here in this course? What are the subjects? So UI technologies, HTML, okay, version 5. That means it will cover XHTML as well. Okay, no need to learn XHTML, CSS2, and again then after HTML5, CSS3. That is nonsense. For example, you are constructing a home. All the rooms you will plan at a time, or else one by one you will plan. Everything will plan, then only you will start the construction. In the same way, whenever you are learning HTML5, then automatically it will come, includes XHTML as well. Okay, no need to learn XHTML first, then after CSS2, and again HTML5, then after CSS3, in middle JavaScript. I don't prefer that way. Okay, everybody, HTML5, it will include previous version and latest version as well. Okay, in the same way, CSS3, it will include CSS2 as well. Okay, everybody, right. Then after immediately I will teach you JavaScript. After completion of HTML and CSS, I will teach you JavaScript. Then after I will teach you jQuery. What is everybody? jQuery. And finally I will teach you Bootstrap. Finally I will teach you Bootstrap. And then after I will design a template, responsive template. Understand it, everybody? This is what we are going to learn in this course. Course content also I will display with examples. Somebody they will display the course content in Word document, but we don't know in the future they will tell examples or not. Understanding or not? But I'm not that type of faculty. Course content I will display with examples. What are the examples I told in the previous batches, so that you also will get some clarity. Clarity, everybody? Right. So this is the things we are going to discuss as a part of this course. What is this? HTML5. It will include previous version also, XHTML and HTML5. Then after CSS3, it will include CSS2 as well. Then after JavaScript, all the latest features in the JavaScript I will teach you, like lambda expression, promises, async and await methods. Okay, everybody, local storage, session storage, cookies. Okay, then after hoisting, closures, everything will be there. Lambda expression, understanding, set timeout, set interval, clear timeout, clear interval, everything will be there. Okay, right. Then after jQuery, advanced concepts also I will teach you here. Okay, right. Then after Bootstrap, by using this Bootstrap, we will design responsive web designing. With clear examples, I will teach you. Then after finally a template by using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, we will design a responsive web template. That is also I will show you. Clear it, everybody? These are things we are going to discuss as a part of this course. Definitely you will get practical experience. You will get 1.5 years to 2 years of knowledge as a part of this course. If you are a fresh, also not a problem. You can perform very well in your office whenever you get job. Okay. And if you are already have any gap, also no need to worry. So definitely you can survive with that experience as well, because that is how we will train. Clear it, everybody? Right. So this is about this. And to learn this course, do we need to have any prerequisites? Do we need to have any prerequisites? So to learn this course, there is absolutely no prerequisites. There is no absolutely prerequisites. This is the starting step in the software industry, front end wise. Front end wise, this is the starting step. The only thing is you need to know how to switch on a computer, and how to open a code editor, and how to save a file. That's it. Okay, everybody, how to open anything, how to type something, and how to save it. Very basic things. Understand it, everybody? This much knowledge is enough. Okay, right. Basic knowledge related to computer. Clear or not? Respond, everybody? Right. So this is what we are going to learn as a part of this course, and there is no absolutely prerequisites. There is no absolutely prerequisites. Okay, everybody? Right. After completion of this course, what we will do, we can develop web applications also, websites also. Okay, right. So then after we need to know importance of websites and everything. What is it, everybody? Importance of websites. Understanding? Right. Why we need to develop websites? If you don't develop websites, what happens? Is there any loss to world? Respond. I'm not developing any applications. Not only me. Nobody in the world not developing any web applications. Is there any loss to world? If nobody develops web applications, is there any loss to world? Raise your hands. Yes, there is a loss. Okay, raise your hands. There is no loss. See, at least think once. Respond to anyone. Okay, don't be silent. There is a loss. Raise your hands. If you don't develop web applications, there is a loss to world. Okay, right. There is no loss. Raise your hands. Right. So whatever your answer also, not a problem. Okay. See, whenever you told any wrong answer, okay, if I give any answer, so you need to think, okay, he has corrected my mistake, like that only. In front of all, he asked, then after in front of all, he told this is wrong answer. You should not think like that. Because in the companies, your response is very, very important. If you are doing the work, if you are not responding, or else if you are not telling anything, okay, there is no use in your company also. So my intention is to make you to response. That's it. So either is right answer or wrong answer. Right answer also I don't give you any prizes. Wrong answer also I don't tell you to get out from a class. I'm not that type of faculty. So whatever your opinion, you can tell it. Okay, everybody, right? So here, my intention, my question is what? Is there any loss to world? If you don't develop any web applications, is there any loss to world? Yes, there is a loss to world. Okay, because as a web application developer, that means as a software engineer, we are helping to the world to evolve. You are helping to the world to evolve. Understanding it, everybody? So through websites, how there is a loss? I told there is a loss. So now I need to prove it. How there is a loss? If you don't develop any web applications, I'm telling not related to outside subject, related to subject only. Importance of web applications. As a UI developer, or else a Java developer, or PHP developer, or else Node.js developer, whatever the programmer also nowadays, you need to work on web applications. So now I'm telling the importance of web applications only. Understanding it, everybody? Right. So by using web applications, what we will get? Websites, what we will get? Information. What is that, everybody? Information. Online people, you also should respond. You should not be silent. Respond through voice. Okay. I'm not able to see your chat. So respond through voice if possible. Right. So what you need to do? As a web applications, what you will do? What you will get? Information. How we will get information? For example, if you observe in the YouTube, we will get the information in the form of videos. Okay, if you open Cuckoo FM or that type of web applications, we will get information in the form of audio. If you open Wikipedia, we will open information in the form of text. What is that, everybody? Text. So in the internet, what are you getting? Information only. By using information, what you will get? Evolve. We can develop ourselves. So how that information is sharing? Through web applications. If nobody is sharing the information, that means if nobody develops the web application, means what happens? No information. No information, no evolution. Understanding or not? No information, no evolution. Evolution means development. So if there is no information, there is no development. So that's why the information is very, very important. So as a web developer, especially as a software engineer, and especially as a web developer, you are sharing the information. Of course, as a mobile applications also. And same thing, it will work for your career as well. So nowadays, everybody depends upon information. Whether it is positive or negative, whatever it may be, everybody depends upon information. Through web applications only, we need to spread the information. So as long as the world exists, that my requirements is there for your career also. So as a UI developer, okay, as a front-end programmer, okay, at least your phone will ring for an interview at least weekly 2 to 3 times. Understand my point? At least your phone will ring for an interview at least 2 to 3 times. I'm telling in the front end purpose. Okay, because I'm a front end trainer, I'm telling like that. Okay, understanding it, everybody. So we have very secure feature as well. Because if you have number of opportunities, if you fail in one interview also, next interview you can crack the interview so that you can get job. So number of opportunities secure for your career. Okay, there is so much requirement also there. Not only in the MNCs, not some technologies handles by only MNCs, but this type of UI technologies and every front-end related technologies like Angular, React, or Node.js. This is backend. Node.js is backend. So this type of technologies are now using by startup companies, middle level companies. Okay, same level 5 companies. That means MNC companies. So very small company to very big, huge companies also are using these technologies. So definitely your career will be full secure. Okay, right. So no need to think how many opportunities or something like that. Every time there will be opportunities. The only thing is you need to prepare well. For example, there is 10,000 job openings are there, but you are daily sleeping, not doing anything. You are not preparing the subject. So what will you do there? If you go to the interview also, there is 10,000 requirements. You don't know anything. No, anybody recruits you? No. But there is only 10 requirements. You are very well in the subject. You went to the interview. You can crack or not. So number of this requirement is not only important. Preparing for subject also very important. And it depends upon your logical skills only. You will get more salary in the software industry. Okay, experience just okay. It is just measurement that you are a genuine candidate like that. Okay, actually salary depends upon your logical skills. If you know very well, if you are able to do any type of work, definitely you will get better salary in that same company or else in the next company as well. Understand it, everybody? Right. This is about career also. Okay, right. So now again coming to importance of web applications. So importance of web applications is what? We are sharing the information across the world. So by sharing the information across the world, what is the use? There is no use. For example, think before 20 years. If you want to do any bank transactions or anything, there is no online transactions. What we need to do? We need to go to the bank. We need to wait hours and hours. And if you have a normal company, construction company or else any company, so you need to recruit an honest person to transact this money as well. Understanding? Suppose you want to transfer 20 lakhs for other person. Understand it, everybody? You need to give check or else you need to give plain cash. Then that person has to take that cash, and that person honestly has to deposit to that corresponding person. Then only the money will go there. For example, is there any problem also? Immediately we cannot rectify. We need to write a letter. He has to refer so many books related to that particular account. Everything is in the books only. If any one book also missed, that's it. So we need to wait any corrections or anything months and months. And not only that, to deposit money also we need to wait hours and hours. For example, if you see whenever notes banned in 2016, we have everybody spent hours and hours to deposit money. Right, everybody? So same situation previous days as well. Okay, right. So you need to wait hours and hours in a single bank branch office. In a month starting, it is very difficult also, especially like SBA. If you go to any small town, so nearby villages also will come. It is very rush. So like that, each and every bank also it will be in very rush. But now what is happening? We are everything is doing to online transactions. So that whenever you are opening the account, at that time only you are going to the bank. Whenever you are opening account, at that time we are enabling the online transactions also. Immediately we are creating our profile in the online website, web application. Okay. So whatever the password they are asking, we are creating that. So next time onwards, what we are going to do, we are adding our family members accounts. So some bank application within an hour, we can transfer the money. After adding, within an hour, we can transfer. Some applications only half an hour. Some applications only 24 hours. So whatever it may be, if you want to transfer the money to the same account, you can transfer immediately. You can transfer immediately, and which is secure. And not only that, if you want any transaction report or anything, it is very, very easy also. And you can check each and every rupee also, where to whom you have transferred. When you have transferred, in what state you have transferred, you will get that entire transaction reports. Who is handling through web applications? Who is developing? Front-end developers as well as back-end developers. We are helping or not? That's fine, everybody. So that is one use. Okay, everybody. Right. Of course, you have everything is fine. You can say you can stand in the bank also. Previous days, 20 years or 30 years back. But what about a handicapped person? Understanding that my point. What about a handicapped person? Does he wait in the queue hours and hours? Does he stand or does he sit? No. But still he has to survive. Now, just because of online transactions, online web applications, anybody can transfer from anywhere because of net availability and technology availability. Clear to everybody? That's why I used the word as long the world exists, there is requirements for web applications and mobile applications. So as long as world exists, there is requirements for web developers and mobile developers. So that much time you have your security activity also. Clear to everybody? Right. Only bank related only, not only that. For example, I want to purchase something. Suppose I want to purchase some books. So previous days what happens before 30 years, there is no online web applications also. What happens, for example, some books are not available, no book is available in the villages. Nowadays also. Nowadays also not a small book also available in the villages. We need to go to nearby towns. Okay. So some books are available only in the towns. Some books are not available in the towns as well. We need to go to district capital. Okay. So some books are not available in the district capital as well. We need to go to state capital. Some books are not available in the state capital as well. We need to go to national capital. For example, before 30 years, everybody has to go to Delhi to prepare for civil examinations. Right, everybody? Everybody has to go to Delhi to prepare for civil examinations. There only books are available. Okay. For example, if you want to prepare by your own also, you need to go to Delhi. Then there you need to purchase the books and you need to return back. Or else if you don't have that much money, you need to request your uncle or any other person is going to Delhi, and whenever he is coming back, then only he has to take the books, or else he has to go there, he has to send that books through post. Still, if there is no person is going, again need to write a letter to the bookshop owner by paying, by sending some envelope. If that is person is good, then only he will send that books. Right, everybody? Understanding or not? But nowadays, what is happening? Everybody can order any book from throughout the world also. Right, everybody? So, what is the importance of web applications? Anybody can sell anything through online. Anybody can sell anything through online. How they are selling? Either through web applications or else through mobile applications. Understand it, everybody? For example, if you are rich, little bit rich, you have some good circle network also, so that you can get any type of books without internet also. But what about the poor persons before 30 years? He cannot command any other person. At least he is not able to request also. Please, give me that. Please bring me that books. He cannot request that also. But now, if he have money, that's it. Immediately he can order. He can get that books. Okay. So as a software engineer, we are also surviving. Not only that, everything, everybody in this world or country also surviving. Okay, so as a web developer and web application developer, we are helping also to others. We are not just dummy persons in the movies. Somebody show software engineers as a just dummy persons or something like that. But actually, we are really helping to the world. I'm just telling the importance of software industry in the world. What is the role software industry playing in this world? Somebody told just software engineer means just a typewriter, something like that. So we are not just typing persons. Okay, actually we are helping to the world as well. Not only we are surviving, we are helping to the world as well. Understand it, everybody? So this is the importance of web applications in the world. Are you understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Right. Okay. Right. So as a web developer, we are doing that. Whether you are a front-end developer also, whether you are a back-end developer also. If you are working on web applications, definitely you are helping to the world. But you should be a pure logical person because your application should be secure or else neatly maintenance and everything. So that the only thing is you should be aware of your logical skills. That's it. Okay, everybody? Right. So to create our web pages, to design our web pages, okay, these are the technologies we are going to use. HTML and CSS to design our web page. JavaScript or jQuery to add dynamic behavior for our web page or else website. Okay, Bootstrap to make our web page responsive. Responsive designing means each and every device like smartphones, tablets, or else low to high resolution computers. Each and every device also we are able to see that website properly. That is called responsive design. Okay, everybody. These are things we are going to learn this course. Your website. Okay, by using this, we are going to design a web page. Okay, everybody. Right. So what is this course? UI. What is everybody? UI. So there is other terminology also there. What is that? UX. What is everybody? UX. Somebody will keep like this. UX or UI. So now tell me what is UX stands for? User experience. What is it, everybody? Experience. UI. UI stands for user interface. What is everybody? User interface. So now think once, everybody. User experience and user interface. Both are same or else both are different? Raise your hands. Both are different. Both are different. Right. Both are same. Raise your hands. Right. So actually both are different, but they have a relation. Like you and your parents. You both are different persons, but you have a relation. From your parents only you are coming. Right, everybody? In the same way, if anybody wants to design any web page or else website, nobody directly writes the program. For example, you want to construct a home. Directly bricks and cement you will purchase and directly will construct. Or else first of all, you will draw a plan. You will draw a plan. Or else you will recruit an engineer to draw a plan. Right, depends upon that plan only. We'll get some idea how many bricks we require. Okay, how much sand we require, how much iron we require, how much concrete we require, how many persons are required. Understand it, everybody? How many electricians are required and what is the electricity plan and everything depends upon that plan only. We'll get some idea. Right, everybody? Like that. Whenever anybody wants to develop any software application also, directly they don't write coding. First of all, they need to design how our application should look like. Before looking, first of all, they need to finalize the places where we should keep the logo, where we should keep the notification icons, where we should keep the menu. Understand it, everybody? Understanding or not? Okay. Where we need to display the products, where we need to display the offer, where we need to display the hotel and everything. And everything. What is that? Places. What is that? Plan. So what is that plan can be called in the software industry? Wireframe. What is that, everybody? Wireframe. So who will design this UX designer? So UX is not part of this course because that is completely graphical. Understand it, everybody? UX is completely graphical. So you should know about graphical softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, like that. Okay, Illustrator is good for icon creating. Understand it, everybody? CorelDRAW is good for logo creation. Photoshop is good for template design and some graphical work also. Understanding or not? Okay, everybody. So you need to be aware of that graphical related things. So whatever it may be. So if anybody wants to develop an application, directly nobody writes coding. First of all, they need to design a plan. Okay, right. So what is the advantage of that plan? If there is any modifications, easily we can remove and we can add something. For example, if you want to draw, how will you draw? By using a pencil, okay, and a paper. Then what happens if we made any shape mistake? Immediately we can erase that with our eraser. Then immediately we can correct our shape. In the same way, whenever they are designing something, okay, so some changes client will told. So immediately we need to Okay, implement that. So if you are writing coding, it will take long time. Understand, right? So rather than writing the code directly, what they will do, they will add some Photoshop. So there they will design some template. If there is any modifications are required, so immediately they will manipulate that. Immediately they will modify that, and again they will send it to the client. If client is okay, then only we will design into a web page. Then only we will design into a web page. So to convert that image into a web page, we need to have HTML and CSS. Okay, so first UX designer, what he will do, he will design a wireframe. Once the wireframe is what, only plan. Once that wireframe is approved by client, okay, we'll design a markup. Markup means exact images in the exact places. That means exactly what is the colors, what are the images will keep, exactly we'll place it. Then after once that is also approved by client, then we'll design a web page. So I will show you an example for wireframe and markups. See here everybody, this is what wireframe. Wireframe means what, plan. So here comes the logo. Here comes some 4 notification icons and header part. Then after we have a slider here. On top of that, horizontal sentence. See here, whatever you are saying, you need to analyze properly. Saying means not just saying. Okay, whenever you are saying anything, you must analyze properly. Okay, everybody. So for example, if you are saying this menu and everything, how it is horizontally centered. Horizontal means what? Left side and a right side. You should have equally space. That is called horizontally centered. Vertically center means top and bottom should have equal space. That is called vertically centered. Now it is only horizontally centered. Vertically it is not in center. Just we have some gap, but exactly it is not in the center position. So it should be horizontally centered. Then after we have a search bar here. Okay, and this is the menu. Understand it? Then after here we are displaying the products. So we have 2 categories. Okay, trending food and best offers. Normally it is looking like this. So just item name and restaurant name, and here item image. But whenever you hover, it is increasing. Item name, restaurant name, price, and order now button. Understanding it my point? Then after there is what our customer says. What our customer says means reviews. So reviewer image and that reviewer content. Then after footer, again it is divided into 2 parts. Very bottom is copyrights, related information. On top of that, again we are dividing into 3 columns. Again we are dividing into 3 columns. Left side logo and about us, little bit about us. Then after in middle, subscription newsletter. Okay. Then after right side, get in touch. Get in touch means social media promotions. What is everybody? Social media promotion, that related links. This is what wireframes. So if the client is satisfied with this wireframe, with this plan, okay, everybody, right? What he will do? He will ask us to convert into a markup. What is everybody? Markup. So what is a markup? We can observe here. Markup means what? Exact image in the exact places. Okay, everybody, right? See here, the same place logo is coming. Then after notification icons. Okay. Then after this one, search bar and these items, main course, starters, drinks, bouquet table. Okay, right. Then after trending food, see it, item, product name, product image, product name, and a restaurant name. And then after best offers. Then after what our customer says. Then after footer, corporate information, left in middle news subscription newsletter, and right side see it, get in touch, social media related promotions related to our application. This is markup. What is everybody? Markup. Understand it, everybody? Right. For example, I want to set something here. Can I set here? Respond. No. Here I'm asking. Yeah, am I able to search here anything? No. We can experience something. Okay, here search bar will come like that. Okay, everybody, if you are able to search means that is called interaction. Okay, that is called user interface. Okay, everybody, right. This is only user experience. By saying that what we will do, what we'll get just only experience. Okay, this is the main course. Here you can get biryani related information, starters, only starter related information, light food. Okay, then after drink, see it, he is keeping here some milkshake related icon. Okay, he's not keeping here any beer bottles or wine bottles on there. Why? This is restaurant, yeah, not bar and restaurant. Okay, we should not over create. Some over creative persons will be there. So irrespective of the application level, they will keep whatever the icons they are wanting. That is not correct thing. As per your application, we need to choose the icons. Understand it, everybody? So then after bouquet table, see here in the colleges also we have tables. That related tables we are not displaying here. What table this is? Restaurant related tables. So why this is restaurant application, not a college application. So to represent that, whenever I want to display a table, I am displaying that type of a table. In the colleges, we should not display like this. We need to display college related tables. How it will look like. Clear it, everybody? So whatever the icons we are choosing, whatever the icons we are displaying, that should fulfill our requirements. That should tell something about our application to the user. Clear it, everybody? Right. Not only here in our regular life also, there will be user interface. Sorry, user experience. For example, whenever you are riding a bike, you will experience traffic signals. So what will you experience? Either green, so that without stopping you will move, or sometimes you will see some red lights. Then what happens? What you will say? You will need to stop. No traffic constable will come to you and tell, please stop to each and every person. Just you will display some red light. By saying that, everybody will stop. So while by seeing that red light, he is experiencing something. Okay, we should not go, we should not move, we should stop like that. After 30 seconds or else 1 minute or 2 minutes, depends upon the time of the traffic signal, they will display a yellow color signal. Okay, actually it will look like orange, but actually it is yellow. Okay, everybody, right. Then what happens? If anybody stops his bike, he will start immediately. After 5 seconds, they will display green. Then immediately we need to move. We should not stay there. Okay, right. So by seeing that, what we will do, we will experience something. That is the importance of experience. So it must reduce so much work. Okay, if there is no traffic signals, what happens? The traffic constable should be there. He has to keep his hands, and somebody they can't understand that thing also. Somebody they don't find the traffic constable. If it is a very big road, nobody finds it. Suppose Khairtabad signal is there. It is very big roads. Immediately, if anybody stand also, nobody observes it. Understand it, everybody? Understanding or not? So there should be some signals. Okay, so no traffic constable go to each and every person, you cannot tell. So just because of that signal, everybody understanding that much, it will reduce the work also. Okay, not only that, in your mobiles also. Okay, before so nowadays also some persons in the villages, they will use only keypad phones only, because it is very convenient to them to operate. So somebody they don't know how to operate also in the early days, because if they are not educated persons. So that what happens, as a child you will educate them. So you don't explain them how mobile works. how SIM card works, how this mobile networking towers will work. No need to explain everything. What you will tell, whenever phone rings, whenever phone rings, click on the green button. Whenever you complete your talking, click on the red button. That's it. No need to explain entire mobile communication system. Just simply two words. To speak, green. To cut, red. That's it. So that much it will reduce the work also. For example, you want to educate your friend. He is educated, but he don't know how to operate an application. So in that case, what will you do? You will get, you know how to utilize also. Then what you will do? Click on the text or else click on the find this icon. Click there. After going to that icon, after going to some menu, click on that particular icon or else click on that color button, green color button, red color button, something like that you will tell. What is that? User experience. Okay, everybody. So by experience, we can reduce so much work also. Understand it, my point. If you are telling, for example, look for book now button, everybody will sit like this. Very easy like that. Simply, if you tell, observe the green color button is, immediately you can see the green color button. That's it. Okay. So that is the button for book now. Just simply he will click on book now. Immediately you can book a ticket for a movie or else any show or anything. So that much it will reduce the work to user experience. So a website is nothing but combination of both UX and UI. UX also will be there. Okay, icons and everything, and colors with different colors like that. And he can interact also. User interface also will be. Okay, everybody, what is this? This is only user experience. What is this? Markup. By seeing this, we can explain something. Then after, if we want to interact also, then we need to go to this. This one. See here, everybody. Here we are seeing some icons or not. By seeing this icon, what we'll understand? Location, address of the application, address of the restaurant, something like that. By seeing this, we can understand, okay, this is for booking a table. By seeing this, we can understand coins. That means prices. Or else, if there is any valid system also that related. By seeing this icon, what we'll understand? Login information or register information. And say it. Not only here we are experiencing. By seeing this magnifying tool, what will happen? We'll set something that we'll experience. Not only experiencing, we can type here something. We can type here. Whenever you are typing here means what? You are interacting. Whatever you are doing in the web browser, that comes under interaction. Whatever you are saying in the web browser, that comes under experience. Whatever you are doing in the web browser, that comes under interaction. Not only typing, whenever you hover, that is an interaction. Whenever you click, that is one type of interaction. Whenever you scroll up, whenever you scroll down, whenever you scroll down, that is an interaction. Whenever you mouse over, interaction. Whenever you click, interaction. Whenever you are typing and pressing enter, interaction. Whatever you are doing is interaction. Whatever you are saying is experience. So a web page means both experience and interaction. Okay, which will provide interaction, that is called interface. Understand it, everybody? Right. So for example, how we are giving this interaction? Through this text box. Then only he is able to interact. How we are creating this text box? By using HTML. How we will style it? By using CSS. So that is for user interaction purpose. Clear it, everybody? This is for user interface purpose. Understand it, everybody? You understand what is UX and what is UI? Okay. So who will start the application? UX designer. Okay. He will design some images. By saying that images, client will get some understanding. Okay, this is how our application will look like. If he is satisfied with the designing, then he will ask us to convert into a web page. Then the HTML programmer, that means UI developer, will enter into the work and he will convert that image into a web page by using HTML and CSS. Clear it, everybody? Respond. Okay, this is what UX and UI developers will do in the companies. Clear it, everybody? Right. So this is about this. Okay, right. So experience means what? Whatever we are seeing. Interaction means whatever we are doing in the browser. Okay, everybody, right? So this is about UX and UI. And I know I did not give any introduction about HTML and CSS. So tomorrow class I will give you that. Now, what is the template we are going to design, and what are the examples we are going to do? Okay, with course content I will show you. Okay, right. So for example, you can observe here. This is the template we are going to design in the course. Okay, in the last. Okay, everybody, right. If you observe here, Ramesh, but this is not regular font. This is third-party font. That means Google fonts. I will tell you how to integrate Google fonts in our application as well. Third-party fonts. Okay, everybody, right. Pure real time. Okay, and this is, we are seeing some blue color or not. Okay, surrounding it. This is called box shadow. What is this, everybody? Box shadow and text shadow. This is text shadow. Sorry. What is this? Text shadow. Okay, because we are applying for directly text. Okay, everybody, right. This is CSS3 property. Okay, and you are able to see this menu completely. Now, whenever you minimize, see it. Now, are you able to see the complete menu? Complete menu. Now, here you are able to see, but here, no. You are seeing only menu icon. Whenever you click, then only it is coming. This is also I will tell you how to do this type of things. Okay, right. Now minimize it, see it. Here it is occupying only, this content is occupying only 75% of the parent. Whatever the size of, see it. In the smartphones also, tablets also, see it, whenever you decrease also, the content is occupying only 75% in the parent. Understand it, my point. This is what, that's why I told the response web page. And not only that, here if you observe here, you are seeing these icons. They are not images. They are third-party icons. That is called font awesome. What is, everybody? Font awesome, which is very useful in the real time. Every UI developer will use this font awesome icons. If you have any seniors or else your brothers, you can ask. Everybody uses font awesome icons or not? Okay, right. So font awesome icons. That is also I will tell you how to utilize them. They are not images. Okay, everybody? Right. I will tell you how to utilize font awesome icon. That means third party icons as well. Okay, right. Then after if you observe here, yeah, how many columns you are able to see? 4. Whenever you minimize, how many? 2. See it, 2 columns in the tablets. And still if you minimize the smartphones, 1. And see it, button size also increasing. Whenever you increase, it is decreasing. See it. Now 4 columns. This is responsive. And then after, if you observe here, whenever you moving, this image is not moving. Observing not. This image is not moving. Entire website is moving. This is called parallax effect. What is that, everybody? Parallax effect. I will tell you how to do this also. And this content I am writing on top of this image. Okay. So how to write content on top of the image? That is also I will tell you. See it. This content also moving, but not this image. Clear it, everybody? Right. And this is looking like check boxes, but actually this is also font awesome icons. I will tell you that. And then after this is project section. Say 3 columns. And here also this is 2 columns. Whenever you decrease, it is coming one by one. See, still it is not moving. And then after whenever you decrease, see here 3 columns per row. Still if you decrease, 2 columns per row. Then after here, one, and you observe here Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Google Plus icons. These are also font awesome icons. Okay, everybody, right? If we increase, see it, 3 columns per row. Okay, everybody, right? Then slider. Whenever you click here, see, observe here, this is slide. Of course, image size are not same. That's why it's coming with zigzag alignment. But in real time, they will give equal size images. Process is same. Okay, right. See it. Okay, everybody, right. Then after maps, how to integrate Google Maps in your application. This is also I will tell you. Understand everybody and a form. And whenever you decrease, it will come one by one. Clear it, everybody? It will come one by one. Whenever increase, it is come sideways. This is the template we are going to design in the last. Clear it, everyone? Respond. Okay, this is the template. Okay, right. And then after, if you observe here, course content, see it. Display flex, which is very, very latest. Say Shastri. How many examples I'm telling? 10 to 12 examples I'm telling because they explain each and everything clearly. Understand it, my point. Then after audio tag and video tag, which is very, very latest in CSS3 only. Okay, and the animation. See it? Wait some time. Previous days, if you want to do this type of things, we need to use Flash. What is everybody? Flash, Adobe Flash software. But now in only CS only we can do it. In CS only we can do it. Okay, everybody, right? Yeah, animation is there. Audio, video also I'm telling. Okay, everybody, right? Then after border radius, everybody tell border radius within 2 minutes. But I will teach a complete class. Why? Because if you understand the border radius properly, we can design different shapes. But nobody understands about the border radius working culture. Just they will tell border radius 5 px. That's it. You will get curvy corners like that. They will tell. But if you observe here clearly, we can make not only curvy corners. We can make circles. We can make this type of shapes. Shivlinga, see it. This type of shape. This type of shapes. This shape. This type of shapes. Here. A wheel and a water drop. Understanding that my point? This is only for border radius to explain. To explain with working culture. Okay, everybody? Right. And not only that, see here, box shadow, text shadow. I told it. 3, it is looking like 3D effect. Okay, everybody? Right. This one also. Okay, everybody? Right. Okay, these are all graphics. Okay, don't think he's telling only graphics only. But in CSS3, most of the time they will develop a little bit graphics related things more. Okay, everybody? Right. And then after box sizing, border box. To understand about padding. This is without box size and border box. This is with the box size and border box. So here there is internal space, but element is increased. But here also there is internal space. See here, from here to here there is a space. Here to here there is a space, but it is coming with actual width and height, 200, 200. Clarity, everybody. Box size and border box, which is very, very important in interview question. Okay, with the example I am taking. Okay, everybody. Right. Then after this is a bootstrap related cards. Then after chessboard. With less amount of code, how to make a chessboard. Everybody uses multiple classes or multiple ideas. But as less code as possible by using, I will tell you how to make a chessboard as well. Okay, everybody? Right. It will cover nth child. What is this? Nth child selector. Then after content alignment with the image. See here. What is everybody? Content alignment. Left side image and right side content. And see whenever you over something is coming like this. And background image also display. With practical I am telling how to display background image for the entire body. Okay, everybody? Right. Then after difference between class and ID, very, very important interview question. What is the difference between class and ID? If you go to interview as a developer, if you're going to 100 interviews, in all the 100 interviews, you will get this question. Fresher, 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 10 years experience. Okay, right. Then after display none and visibility hidden. What is that? This is also very important. Okay, practical I will show you. Okay, right. Inline and block elements. This is also very important. Difference between inline elements and block elements. Okay, with practical I am telling. Then after flex, which is very important in CSS3 by manipulating the child elements alignment. Okay, all those things I am telling you. Okay, right. Then after div example, div triangle. See it? Triangles means only div tag and manipulating the width and height of the div and borders. We can make this many shapes. By manipulating width and height and borders, we can form this many shapes. Clear it, everybody? Only border. One example. Everybody will complete within 5 minutes. Border 2px solid black, 2px dashed black, 2px dotted black, like that. But if you understand that border clearly, we can make this many shapes. A complete class I will take on this. Okay, everybody, not to waste your time, but to make it perfect. Then after external CSS, internal CSS, inline CSS, very small basic things. Then after float property, float left, float right, aligning the elements. This is the parent element, this is left side, this is right side, floating property. Okay, everybody, right. That related nodes also. Internal CSS, see it, login form also. Background image. And if you see there, some shadows are coming. And whenever you are typing, see it. Text also typing differently. Understand my point? With italic styles, bold letters, with the gap. Each and every letter is getting some gap. If you observe here, whenever you are typing, normally it is typing. In the text, this is also text box side. But whenever you are typing, this side is coming. I will tell you how to do this type of things also. And a login button, say it whenever you over. So how to style the buttons, that is also I will tell you. Okay, this is a field set and everything with all advanced concepts I will tell you. Then after ULLIs, okay, list elements, ordered list, unordered list, LI, very basic things also. Then after overflow property. So what are the importance of overflow with practical examples I will tell you. Okay, right. Then after paragraph styles, okay, this is overflow. Then after paragraph, that related styles. Then after positions, very important. Position relative, absolute, okay, and combination relative and absolute. Then after fixed and sticky. So I will take minimum 2 days class, minimum 2 classes on these positions, 2 to 3 classes as well. Clear it, everybody? That everybody will complete within half an hour, because they don't know how to work with the positions properly. They don't know what is the working culture of positions. They cannot handle. But I will teach you 2 to 3 classes, because to make you perfect. It is very important, relative and absolute. Understanding my point? Right. See here, position absolute. Okay, how to manipulate this? Why, sir, why are you keeping here? Don't ask me right now in the class, because it will take little time to understand about this. Understand it, everybody? Whenever I'm explaining out position absolute, then you will understand why I'm displaying like this. Okay, right. Then after position fixed. See it, whenever you are scrolling, is this menu is moving? Respond. No. Where can you observe? In the Amazon or else Flipkart. Whenever you are scrolling, that menu won't move. So how to do this? Position fixed. Then after position relative and absolute, animation example. See it, one more animation example. It is looking like animation, but it is not looking animation. Okay, see it, gradient colors, which is latest in the CSS3. Gradient colors. Okay, that means how to apply multiple colors for a single element. This is linear gradient. This is radial gradient. Radial gradient means you will get in torchlight format. Linear means either vertical or horizontal, or else diagonal you will get the colors. Gradients means what? Applying multiple colors. Okay, understanding it, everybody? Respond. Okay, right. And then after, say it bottom overlay and everything. Whenever you over, see it. Some overlay is coming from top to bottom, sorry, bottom to top. This is also in the websites, you can find it. Okay, everybody? Right. And delete one car example, see it. Whenever you hover, the car is zooming, but in this particular area, it is not coming outside of this. And whenever you hover, the circle is converting into square slowly. Clarity, everybody? That this also related to positions only. This is not animation. Okay, don't think he is telling only animations like that. This is not animation. Okay, everybody? Right. And then after relative and absolute, example 1, example 2, see it. And then overlay, left overlay and everything. Then after position sticky, what is everybody? Sticky. See, position also there is 78 examples are there. Okay, observe this menu. Whenever I'm scrolling, the knee is moving or not. But once it touches the viewport, observe. It is not moving. And there is a gap also. How to display the gap? There is also I will tell you. Understand it, everybody? Right. There it everyone. Okay, right. Then after pseudo selectors, rainbow example. How to make a rainbow by using box shadow. Okay, right. Then after transform, rotate. Rotating element. Scale. That means increasing the size of an element. See it. Scale is not animation. Then after skew. Okay, everybody. This is also skewing. That means rotating at the same time increasing the size. Okay. Since you are manipulating size, it is looking like animation, but actually what we are doing, we are rotating as well as changing the shape, and we are increasing the element as well. Okay, right. This is skewing. And then after transform, translate, real time example. See it? An overlay is coming, some shadow is coming here, and this one here, if you observe here, this text is coming like a circle. We are getting a curve. Great, everybody. And we are getting background image, and it is horizontally centered and as well as vertically also centered. As well as vertically also centered. Okay, everyone. Right. Not only this one also. How to align any element horizontally and vertically center throughout the body, which is very, very important. Understanding in the entire body how to align. Okay, because nobody knows this browser size. Okay, if you know also in different computer, different sizes will be there. But still in all the devices it will come vertical and horizontal center. How to do it? Okay, everybody. This is about HTML and CSS. So all the topics are covering or not? Latest things. And same way JavaScript also, all the latest things. See here this keyword. Okay, this is a content examples wise, right? So depends upon the file names it will come. Okay, right. But I will tell you in a sequence. Okay, see it, variable declarations onwards I'm starting. This keyword, then after switch statement, then after sum of values in an array, string methods, spread operator. Right, everybody, which is very, very important. Then after set timeout, clear timeout, I told already. Set interval, clear interval. Session storage, rest operator, reduce method, query selector, latest element selectors, query selector all, prototype, promise, onload and onload event, on click event, objects, mouse events, map method, local storage. Okay, everybody. Then after length property, keyboard events, JSON objects, internal JavaScript, inner text and inner HTML examples, inline JavaScript, OCJA, get elements by tag name, class name. Okay, right. then after inner HTML example, then after for each method, for loop, and again see it. I have this many examples I'm telling for loop. Filter method, external JavaScript, duplicate values in an array. Okay, then after different types of functions, normal function, anonymous function, lambda expression, all the ES6 features. Then after data methods, copying a value, see it everybody. See there, I am typing here Ramesh. Or see there, I am typing here lion. Whenever I click here, same data is coming. Understand it, everybody? Not only that, we'll do validations as well. Okay, right. Then after cookies, and this one copy value observe here. This one, another example. Whenever I am typing here, same data is coming in the next text box. Okay, everybody, right? Then after conditional statements, like if else, if yeah, okay, if else, if else, switch statement, all those things. Comparing values, closure, call, apply, and bind methods, async and await. Okay, everybody, right? Array methods, array with for loop. Okay, and how to apply CSS through JavaScript by using mouse events. Then after how to apply CSS. Then after draggable and droppable jQuery. JavaScript every subject is storing or not? Inter subject. Respond everybody. Okay, right. Then after say here, this is jQuery UI. Advance of jQuery also. Drag and drop. I will tell you how to utilize them. Clear it, everybody? Right. And then after jQuery UI, date picker. That means whenever you click, calendar will come. In HTML, simply if you write the input type equal to date, calendar will come. But in XHTML, we need to use jQuery UI, third-party plugin. How to utilize that third-party plugin also I will tell you. Okay, everybody? And draggable and droppable, that one also I will tell you. And then after slide up, slide down, see it. Sliding up slowly. Clear it, everybody? Okay, right. Then after sliding down, slowly sliding down. Okay, that means by using jQuery, how to manipulate the HTML elements. That is what I'm telling you. This is called DOM manipulation. This is including manipulation. DOM manipulation means if you are able to manipulate any single HTML element either by using JavaScript or jQuery, that comes under DOM manipulation. We are doing it. Okay, right. And then after slide of this one, all the jQuery methods are there. Okay, and this one accordion menu. See here, everybody. Panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. Whenever you click, this particular thing is opening. Whenever you click, this particular thing is opening. How to do it? By writing code, I will tell you. Accordion menu. Okay, everybody? Right. So then this one, basic HTML tags, tables, and everything. And Bootstrap, see here, login mode. By default, this form is coming whenever the page is loaded. Or else whenever you click on the button, so form is coming from top to bottom. By using Bootstrap, how to do it. And I told you that we will tell you navigation menu also. See here. Navigation menu. Okay. You are able to see this menu completely. But whenever you minimize, only you are able to see icon. Whenever you click, you are able to see. In the template also I will tell. And before template creation, also I will tell you. It's separate example. Clear it, everyone? Okay, everybody? Right. So this is what we are going to do. And not only that, in the latest class, I told you how to utilize third-party plugins also. For example, jQuery, accordion, trading, trade out, magnifying. See it. This magnifying tool. Observe is not here. How to utilize third-party? This is third-party plugins, magnifying tools. How to utilize them? Okay, right. In the real time also, they don't write coding. It will take months and months, 3 months, 6 months time. Nobody keeps on time Okay, that type of things. This type of things nobody spent 6 months. Simply what they will do, they will purchase some plugins, or else if anybody is selling for free, they will download and they will utilize. Okay, everybody. In MNC companies, there is a separate department for plugin development. They will pay 5 lakhs per month. Okay, everybody. Their work is not related to projects. Only they need to design this type of plugins. Understand my point? Okay, plugin development is very huge demand in software industry. Clear it, everybody. But you should have more logical skills, more and more. Understand it, everybody. Right. And then after this one also there, and another one also here. Wait one second. Slide up, show how to get picture. Yeah, light box example. See here, light box. Okay, click on try me. See it is coming like this. Total is coming like this, and everything is behind. Everything is blur. Okay, this is the light box. In the real time also, what they will do, in the place of text, they will display here a form. Understand it, everybody? Right. So this type of things also I will tell you. See it. The power works are coming. Is coming like this. By using jQuery also how to do it. Yeah. So I will tell you completely. I will make you perfect in the real time work. Yes. Okay, subject wise. See, without making subject perfect, we cannot make real time perfect. So subject wise, you will be perfect, and real time also, you can handle any type of work if you are a fresher or experienced person. Clear it, everybody? I'm showing or not? That's it. Understand it, everybody? That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet. We'll complete the introduction about HTML introduction. Then after we'll start the practical examples. First 2 to 3 class only I will tell only theoretically. Then after onwards I will tell everything practically. Because in the first day we cannot write coding. Okay, slowly we need to go. Okay, so first we need to know what is the technology, what is the importance of the technology. By using the technology, what we can do, what we are not able to do. Okay, everybody, all those things we need to understand. Then only we can write code. Let everybody, right? Tomorrow and maximum day after tomorrow you start the coding, or else next Monday. Okay, everybody, right? And coming to course duration, it will take 3 months because there is 5 subjects are there. Understanding or not? 5 subjects are there. Minimum it will take 3 months, 2.5 to 3 months. Understanding or not? Okay, and we'll use a template. And Monday to Friday only classes. Saturday, Sunday holiday. Okay, and daily 1 hour class, 5 to 6. Okay, and I don't have any pre-written material, but whatever the notes is there, I will write in the example file only. For example, if you observe here, difference between varlet and const keywords. Okay, and for example, observe. See, fees I should not discuss here, Smita. Okay, please contact our online team. This is our online team number. I have sent you a number. Please contact them, everybody. Okay, right. See here, varlet and const keywords. So whenever you go down, you'll find the notes here, so that it is very convenient for you to revise topic by topic. Entire material we don't read in a single day. Or else whenever we are preparing for exams also, we don't read entire material. What we will do, we will read topic by topic. Understand it, everybody? This how we'll do it. Okay, everyone? Right. So that's it, everyone. There is other class here. Okay. So tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.